Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a pack contains n cards numbered from 1 to n. So, you have a pack of card and the cards are numbered as 1, 2, 3, till n. Okay, so this card goes this way. Okay, now two consecutive number cards are removed from the pack and the sum of the number of cards on the remaining card is this. So from these cards, two cards are being removed and the remaining sum of remaining cards is this. Okay. Okay. If the smaller of the number on the removed card is k, then k minus 20 is equal to. So just try to understand this part. Suppose we have this idea. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n. And from this you have to remove two cards, that is k plus 1. So these things are to be removed. Okay, so if you'll remove these things, you will be left with 1 double 2 4. Okay, now try to understand this part. If from this, if you will remove this thing, then it is 1224. So can I say that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n is greater than 1224? Okay, because right now you're not removing these things. Okay, so it is okay to go with this part. Is that clear? Why I'm doing this? Because right now I don't have any other option. I have two variables and I have only one equation, so I cannot manipulate. So that's why I am segregating things. Okay, now look at this. So it is sum of n natural numbers. So can I write n into n plus 1 by 2 is greater than 1224? Now can I simplify this thing by writing n square plus n minus 2448? Okay, now here I will be finding the value of n. Okay, so for that I have to do the factorization or apply the Sridharacharya rule. So it is n equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So 4 times 2448 by 2. Okay, so this is the idea. Now look at this, how I will handle. So it is minus 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 2 carry 3 9 this. Okay, by 2. So we have minus 1 plus or minus root over 9793 by 2. 9793. Okay, so the value of root 9793 is 98.9. Suppose it is 98.9. Okay, so can I write minus 1 plus or minus 98.9? It was 98 na? Yes, it is 98.9. Okay, by 2. So can I write this thing as, this thing will become, if I'll take plus 1, so it will become 97.9. And if I'll go with minus 1, it will become minus of 99.9 by 2 by 2. Okay, now divide this thing, so we will be left with 4 2s are 8, 48 point something, and this thing will become 4 9 point something, and that too in negative. Okay, so suppose that it is alpha, it is beta. Now you know that on the number line I can write this thing as n plus 49 point something into n minus 48 point something greater than 0. Now look at this, how I will approach. So if you talk about the inequality, you have to place minus of 49 point something, and you have to place 48 point something, and you have to put this signs, positive, negative, positive. So the required n is what? N belongs to minus infinity to minus 49 point something union 48 point something to infinity. Now you know that you're talking to natural numbers, so from this set you cannot get n, so this is wrong. So this could be the situation. So the first value of n will become 40, and n is a natural number. So in this room, the first natural number is 49. So suppose that n is 49. Okay, n is 49. So corresponding to this n, you have to find out the value of k. So you know that, again I'll be using the same uh, equation. Okay, and it will become uh, 40, like, wait, it will become 2k plus 1 will become 49 into 50, and into n plus 1 by 2 minus 1224. This was the thing now. Yes, this is the correct. Okay, now simplify things. So this thing will become 25. So 49 times 25. 49 times 25 is 1225, and look at this. So it is 1225. So 1225 minus 1224 is 1. Correct? So the value of k will become 0. So in this case you got k as 0, which is not possible. They are saying that from this deck of cards k and k plus 1 is being removed. So the minimum is 1, but here k is getting 0. So 0 and 1 is being removed. So it is not that card, na. You have to remove two cards. According to this, you have to remove only one card. So this is wrong. Now suppose that n is 50. So it will become 2k plus 1 is equal to 50 into n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 1224. So look at this. It will become 25. So 25 into 51. 25 into 51. So it is 1275 minus 1224. So 1224. So you got 51. Correct? This is 2k plus 1. So it is, so k will become what? K will become 25. So according to this, k is 25, and k plus 1 will become 26. Okay, so this can be the valid case. Okay, why it can be valid case? This is allowed. Okay, and can be 50. Now Now suppose that these things we are doing because we don't have that many equations, okay? That's why we have to do it. Now suppose that n is 51. So can I write 2k plus 1 equals 51 into 52 by 2 minus 1224. Okay, so it is 51 into 26. So it is 1326. 1326 minus 1224. So it is 102. Okay, so if you will simplify things, you will be left with 2k equals to 101. So here we have even, here we have odd, so it is not possible. So this case will be rejected. Now again you have to proceed with n as 52. So suppose n is equal to 52. So 2k plus 1 equals 52, 53 by 2 minus 1224. Okay, so we are left with 26 into 53 minus 1224. So it is 154. Correct? So 154 means what? You will send one, that's 154. Correct. Again, if you'll observe, it is odd and it is even, so it is not possible. Correct? So 52 again will be rejected. Now let's say that n is 53. So if n is 53, 2k plus 1 will become 53, 54 by 2 minus 1224. Okay, so it is 53 into 27 minus 1224. So we got 207. So 207. So 2k plus 1 equals 207. So k will be equal to what? So k will be equal to this thing. This one will go to that side. So it will become 206. So it is 103. Okay. So k plus 1 will become 104. Correct? Now we will check whether it is valid or not. Now check this thing is valid or not. Okay, now how we will check? Try to understand this case. So we got things as, look at this, wait a moment. So we got, look at this, if you will observe n as 53, correct? Now so the last number is 53. So if the last number is 53, so from in between that, how can you remove 103 and 104? It is not possible, na? So this case again will be rejected. This case is being rejected. This case is being rejected. Here n was 50 and here k is 25. So that is okay. So this case was acceptable one. Here k was getting 0. So again it is being rejected. So this way you have rejected everything and you will be left with this case. So according to us, value of k is 25 and we need to find out k minus 20. So 25 minus 20 is 5. Therefore the required value is 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflex.